To turn on the eye comfort shield, you need to swipe upwards, tap on the settings, scroll all the way down to locate display, and that's it over there. Now tap on display and scroll down to find eye comfort shield, and that is, there it is. Now the reason you need to turn this on, you can see there that by default it is off. Now once you pick up your phone, you should turn this on. Now the reason for that is because it reduces blue light and reduces eye strain by using warmer adaptive screen colors. Okay, now let's turn this on, and then turn this on, and that's it. You click on the next video for more tech tips like this.